We're experiencing a pretty intense thunderstorm here in Dallas, and it looks like it's getting worse as it goes northeast. So I was just warning. You probably already know about it, but Missouri looks like it's getting a pretty good chunk of it right there.
Snow hit Southern California tonight, shutting down southbound Interstate 15 through the Cajon Pass about an hour ago. And are you heading for Big Bear? Get ready for a traffic nightmare. Good evening, I'm David Oner.
And I'm Colleen Sullivan. Mark and Michelle are off. We have live storm track team coverage. Dallas Rains tells us what's ahead for tonight and the morning commute. Amy Powell along the Grapevine. Leanne Suter reports from a windy La Crescenta. We begin with Alex Michelson in dangerous winter conditions in Running Springs.
Well, Colleen, we've just gotten word that on the 138 at Crestline, 130 drivers are trapped. So that is a very serious situation happening right now. To fall, it's 19 degrees here. You can see all the snow on this car in the last few hours. It feels a lot colder with the wind chill. Over here, you get a sense of just how much snow has fallen today. But the real story right now is the traffic. To say it's a long commute up and down Highway 330 is an understatement. It's taking you 5 hours from Snow Summit to get to Running Springs?
Yeah.
Wow. At several points along Highway 330, traffic has just stopped. These roads are icy and dangerous, and plenty of cars are having problems.
But once we hit the little steep right here, we start sliding down. All these cars, we're all coming down, sliding. We're trying to help each other out, and we see the little ditch over here, then we came over here to the side.
Rolando Munoz is planning on spending the night in his car.
There's nowhere we can actually go right now, so we're kind of stuck. That's why we got the trucks here parked.
The snow started at the 2,000-foot mark, where people are required to put on chains. Up the mountain, emergency crews are busy, as are tow trucks. Gilbert Preciado says it's his busiest night of the year.
Well, we do AAA, so we're behind like 20-something calls that we can actually attend.
While trying to help a stuck vehicle, even the tow truck became momentarily stuck. He'd eventually free himself. That temperature has fallen quite a bit in the last hour. Just to give you some perspective for how long this takes, we drove in the news van, which you can see is covered with snow and with ice. We left Glendale at 3:30. Didn't get here until 9:45. We had hoped to get to Big Bear, but couldn't make it in time. So if you are coming up here, leave plenty of time. But for people going down the mountain where it's even slower, there could be hundreds of people sleeping in their cars tonight.